Today, we're highlighting a machine that will transform your fry station and streamline operations, the Taylor Ram Frozen Food Dispenser. Operating the Ram line of freezers is a breeze with the easy access power switch, portion control keys, and an intuitive operator control panel. Cleaning has never been simpler. The Ram is designed for quick access to the refrigeration filter and cabinet, making routine maintenance a snap. And with a flexible configuration, you can choose a left or right-hand door opening to fit your setup. The R200 and the R280 help you stay ahead of demand. An inductive sensor ensures proper basket placement before dispensing, while visual alerts notify you when the hopper is running low, so your team stays prepared even during peak hours. Ready to bring consistency, speed, and quality to your fry station? The Taylor Ram Frozen Food Dispenser has you covered. Visit taylor-company.com or contact your distributor today to learn more about the extraordinary line Taylor Ram Frozen Food Dispenser. Taylor, good things start here.